dad was, eating.
Still, that'd be dramatic.
Not for me, bro. Not for me.
What's your dream?
Go away.
Go away. That's great.
You guys want a drink?
Runaway responsibility.
This is unique. This is not the norm. So,
When is this happening?
what? Don't make noise.
It's really special. I would never do that.
Ask about it truthfully, 'cause obviously you remember. I mean, look, I'm not the only kid on the island whose dad was, eating.
Still, it had to be dramatic.
Not for me. Not.
What's your dream?
To go away.
To go away. That's great.
Do you want a drink?
Runaway
don't want
responsibility.
This is kind of this is the norm. So,
When is this not happening?
that noise. Cody.
It's really disrespectful.
Eating.
Still, it had to be dramatic.
Not for me, bro. Not for me.
What's your dream?
To go away.
To go. That's great.
Do you guys want a drink?
Runaway responsibility.
This is unique. This is the norm. So,
When is this not happening?
what? Don't make that noise. Cody.
It's really disrespectful. I would